Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to read the lesson number 4, that is a poem, Going Downhill on a Bicycle, a Boy's Song. So, before starting the chapter or a poem, tell me one thing. How many of you like cycling? I know most of the boys have raised their hand. Okay, very good. So cycling is a healthy exercise that can be enjoyed by people of all ages, from young children to older adults. It is also fun, cheap and environment friendly. It is also good a way to reduce weight and stay physically fit. Cycling is easy to fit into your daily routine by riding to the shops, park, school or work. These days cycling has also become popular as a sport also. So many people all around the world take part in cycling competitions. So this poem is also about the cycling and a boy who cycles down the hill. Now read the poem. We will read the poem. With lifted feet and hands still, I am poised and down the hill. Dart with heedful mind, the air goes by in a wind. That means, so the poem Going Down the Hill on a Bicycle, written by Henry Charles. So who has written this poem? Henry Charles. And he depicts the breathtaking bicycle ride of a boy going down the hill. So in first stanza, in the beginning, the poet is talking about how he waits at the top of the hill in the hope of an exciting ride, and then starts rolling down slowly. His hands are still and extremely calm. He is focused and mindful to experience the upcoming adventure of cycling. Now the second stanza, swifter and yet more swift, till the heart with a mighty lift, makes the lungs laugh and throat cry, O bird see, bird I fly. So, is this your joy? O bird, then I though a boy, for a golden moment share your feathery life in air. So in these two stanzas, the poet's heart is full of excitement and his lungs and throats are filled with a gust of air, making his organs laugh and cry at the same time. He wonders about the sudden joy he is having. He declared that this is a golden moment because he is as free as a bird flying high in the horizon, exploring the delight of being a winged creature. That means he is just feeling like a bird and he is feeling like he is flying in the sky. Now we will read the next stanza, that means the page number, the next page. So next stanza is, say, heart is there aught like this in a world so full of bliss. It is more than skating bound, steel shot to the level ground. That means in this stanza, we want to say that in a world full of excitement and adventures, he found his experience more thrilling than skating or anything else for that matter. He wonders if there is any other experience that would give him the same feeling of joy that he is experiencing at that moment, and he is enjoying the cycling the most in his life. Now we will read the next stanza. Speed slackens now I float a while in my airy boat, till when the wheels scarce crawl, my feet to the treadless fall. That means, in a world of excitement and adventure, he was just enjoying the cycling, and as the bicycle slows down, he felt like floating in a boat that rides the wind. He realized that he must begin cycling again. Next stanza, alas that the longest hill must end in a vale but still, who climbs with toils whosoever shall find wings waiting there. That means But as his journey comes to an end, he understands that all hills end in a valley. But if one has the will to climb a long hill again, he will be rewarded with a peaceful retreat for sure. That means he is just enjoying that cycling experience and he wants to experience that again and again. But this session have been over. That means he has just finished his cycling and he has enjoyed a lot. So it was your poem. Now you have to read this poem and you have to do the glossary. Now we will read the glossary of this poem. So first word is poised. Poised means a calm, confident way of behaving. Number 2 is dart. Dart means move quickly in a direction. Number 3, heedful. Heedful means attentive. Feathery life. Feathery life means life of feathers. Ought. Ought means anything. It is an old English word. Bliss. Bliss means joy. Steel shod. Steel shod means wearing metal shoes. Slackens means gradually becomes slower. Scarce means limited. Treadless. Treadless means a flat piece of metal or wood. Whale means valley. And toil means work very hard for a period of specific time. Please like, share and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.